So this is it, my first day at work. Happy. 但我超担心的是，在面试的时候只有 headhunters， 大老板都没出现，我想他们会如何看我呢？ Judging from the deadline, the only feasible way I feel is to write a new one, drop the object, and pick it all up after. 你们觉得可以吗？
David?
Come to think of it, that could actually work.
A total of 437 modules use the object. 也就是说，如果要更改437个 module 的话 it will take about 37 man days. And that, from my calculations, it doesn't even consider the fact that there are a total of 4 legacy... Glass door.
That's Paul, right?
Yep. Wait, you never met it?
No.
Okay.
Looks like I don't have to worry about myself. Instead, I am worried about my boss. I find him smart, but a strange person. Always with his puzzles, with kids, and I never know what or how his mind thinks. I just wish sometimes he can be more focused with the team. Oh well, who am I to judge? 他是老板，我 I'm the new CTO, Jane.
Nice meeting you, Jane. Thanks for coming. Look, there are changes. The finance...
Changes? Why changes? Why now? What does it mean? Why do you keep kicking me, Jane? Can you please help me?
Paul, the next time client 1 changes, perhaps I can handle it.
Jane, so are they still changes?
大小孩
That's it. That's what we did.
So this is running.
Yes.
Have you tested this?
Yep.
How many times?
Many times.
He's here. We are 3 days ahead of schedule and we have changed 3 things. We also added 37 new triggers and the idea is that...
Okay, I think you know what you're doing. Miss， 做不到嘞，看我的啦。嘿，来，这给你 try， 这样就好了咯。我不知道你为什么要那么久。
Hi. Paul. We are handing over the largest project of our time to our largest client to date in the next 9 days. You hired me to do this, I know, but there are times in the office, the employees, everyone, you need to know that you are focused in this with us too. Not that I'm judging you, but we all want to wrap this up before Chinese New Year. And to play the kids in the park.
Jane, I have you. 公司有你，你有整支团队 ，client 有我们公司的协助。But 17 days from now, they have no one. They have no one to spend Chinese New Year with. They are not your... They are autistic. When I grow up like them, I'm always being laughed at, neglected, judged every single time when my aunt's relative cousin get together. So no, Jane. The company has never judged you, never once. Did I judge you? I trust you know what you're doing. Because I have you, the company has you, we have you. And Then you trust that they have me too. So, no, Jane.
I judge him too easily. 就像我以为大家会议论我这个新人一样，这不就是我们生活当中常常犯的错误吗？随便判断，随便议论，随便评价。It all now makes sense. I always wonder.
Why of all the interviews, you never needed once to interview me before you're hired?
We Simplicity Consulting IT leading solution company in Malaysia wish everybody happy Chinese New Year in year 2021.
恭喜发财！